like, no, that's not a smart way to live. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a bit of a different video from what I've done before. I'm going to be baking some cookies because I want cookies right now. And yeah, so right now I'm home alone because one of my sisters has a fashion show for school. Like, she's a model that one of her friends designed in their fashion class. And then my other sister is there watching that. And then my parents are at a concert tonight. And so I'm home alone. And I want to make cookies, so I'm going to. So, just a second. Just let me get some stuff. And it's basically, I don't even know if we have chocolate chips right now. That would be good to check. Oh, we don't. So, let's see. Instead of chocolate chip cookies, we're gonna be making brownies. So, I'm back. I wanted to listen to music, but I don't want to get copyright, so got my pods in. So, you probably can't see this very well, but we're at lovefromtheoven.com with a brownies made with cocoa powder recipe. And I'm checking to see if we have everything for it. So, I'll just be right back. Oh my gosh, you fell over. Here. My mom has these measuring cups that she's like in love with. See, they're Wonder Woman. Cause, here, I'll show you her sign. She thinks that she is Wonder Woman. See, it says, I'm not saying I am Wonder Woman, I'm just saying that no one has ever seen me and Wonder Woman in the same room. And I'm like, that's not true. So, yeah. So, we need 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Now, with most of the time when you're baking, you can just measure it out as you go. But I know that a lot of people, or at least people that I know, when they're making brownies, you measure everything out before you start making it so that it's a lot quicker because yeah. But like with cookies, you do it as you go. And it's a little bit easier with that because it's not as, I don't know. Like, I don't know. That's just what you do. Or at least it's what I do. Okay, so we got our sugar done. What's after sugar? Cocoa powder. I don't even know why we have as much cocoa powder as we do. Like, we have 2 big Hershey things of it, and I don't know why, because we literally never use cocoa powder unless we're out of other stuff. Oh, look right here. It's supposed to make it smell like lemons, but I can't smell anything because I have allergies, and I don't take my allergy pill because I'm a good child. So, can't measure that out. But we have so many. We have 3 different sets of measuring cups. These ones are Mickey. We got them in Disney when we went like a lot of years ago. I was like 6. And I'm 14. Oh, let's do math. Okay, so 6 minus 14. That was 8 years ago. So I'm gonna need 3. I'm probably not even gonna keep all of this in the video because I don't know. I'm literally going crazy. Oh, I need to preheat my oven. Preheat the oven to 325. Bam. Ha, take that. Okay. I'm just gonna set you down right here because my hand is starting to hurt. Also, let me clean you off. There. That better? Yeah. Okay, but seriously, that light, like, I love the sun, but our house gets horrible natural lighting. Okay. 2 eggs. Eggs. My best friend. Not really. I don't eat eggs very often. Okay, and flour is all that's left. You know how some people sift their flour? I just want to break it up a little bit. And then I'll be good. Also, these big jar... Oh, there goes a lot of flour. These big jar containers that we've had them for like as long as I can remember. I think they were a wedding present for my parents, but I can't remember. That is what's so satisfying, Snapchat. Not whatever you have on you. Oh, look at that. I've made a mess. Just gonna get you all down there. If you don't make a mess, that's how you know you're not having fun. But if you do make a mess, that's how you know you are having fun. Okay, time to cook. Okay, let's look at the directions. Okay, so we preheated our oven. Okay, so we don't have parchment paper. We'll be fine. So my mom always gets mad at literally everyone in my house, my dad and both my sisters, because we all spray pans too much. But my thing is, I don't want it to get stuck. So I spray that much, which is probably it is too much. But, I mean, so we have our, I think this is a 9x9, it says an 8-inch, but, and it also says to line it with parchment paper, which I don't have any. So I'm just going to use that. Just a second. Gotta put my knife down here in the dishwasher. Okay, what's next? I need a bowl. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong one. Hey, look. This is another one of my parents' wedding gifts. We've had these for almost 23 years. That's like 9 years older than I am. Like, honestly, people, yeah. Okay. So we need our butter. Okay, this is a weird recipe. Okay. It says to place the bowl over water that's barely simmering, but I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But we're gonna try it. Gotta get my spoon. Okay, what else do we need in here? Okay, we need our sugar. Our cocoa powder. Here. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so I hate cooking with cocoa powder. It gets everywhere. Okay, so that's about one. A little more. There. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already. That's one of the reasons I love baking. I don't even have to taste it. It just smells amazing, and I still need 2 tablespoons. You know, after you bake enough, you can tell, like, even without flattening it, like, I knew that that was full because I bake enough. Ha! Take that. Cooks. Chefs, whatever you want to be called. Okay, what's next? Salt. How much salt? Okay, half a teaspoon. This little small bowl, I'm gonna take my butter out, put her in there. Okay. I'm gonna take that out and see how melted it is. Oh, she looks perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna add this back in. So I like, when I'm baking, you do need to stick to your recipe, but if you don't experiment, then nothing new will be found. Let's try it now. Oh, that's a lot better. And then I'm sure when it cooks, it'll bring it out more. Okay, so what's next? Okay, now we get to put them in our pan. Just gonna move you over. See, it's not really a batter.
Like it's between a batter and a dough. It doesn't know what it wants to be when it grows up. I can relate. This honestly looks like a bunch of crap right now. And it looks kind of disgusting right now. It looks like I'm just taking a bunch of dog crap out of a bowl. But I'm not, because that would be disgusting. See, that's where, like, the problem with chocolate comes. Like chocolate is amazing, but some chocolates just look so disgusting. Well, no, some chocolates are disgusting, let me tell you. I cannot eat dark chocolate. Like, it hurts me to put in my mouth. Because, like, it's just so bitter. One time, my grandma went to Arizona. She has family out in Arizona. She's actually moving there soon. But, so she went out there, and, they went to, I don't know where they went, but they got dark chocolate, like 100% cocoa, or cocoa, and it was, like, good if you had, like, the tiniest amount ever. Let me just move you out a little bit more. Okay. But, like, it was just, like, so rich that it was, like, difficult to eat.
That doesn't make any sense, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so we bake for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in for 20 first because this is my first time making this recipe. So I'll check back in. Don't bake with one hand. It's dangerous. Okay, so I'm gonna check back in with you in 20 minutes. It was in the oven for not 20 minutes, not 25, for like 35 or 40 minutes. Because the recipe apparently doesn't know that brownies take a while to cook. But, so look at them now. I just took them out, so they're nice and warm. They smell amazing. But, I do need to let them cool off before I can eat them. So, I'm just gonna... Let's say we let them cool off for like 5 minutes. And I'll check back in after that. Okay, so it's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and she looks like she's still pretty hot, but I mean, aren't we all? Okay, I need to cut her so that I can test. Kind of moves. We'll try this one. I don't know. Here. Just a sec. Apart. So I'm just gonna get a fork and eat it straight out of there a little bit now. But look at this. Look at this right here. It's so good. Okay. So before I eat all of this, I want to say I'm going to link the website or the recipe down in the description. And thanks for watching, and have a good time. Bye.